Want to change the keyboard on your iPhone? Here's how. Open any app that brings up the keyboard. At the bottom left, you'll see either the emoji icon or the globe icon. Tap the emoji icon to open the emoji keyboard. Tap the globe icon to switch between your installed keyboards. To enter numbers, tap the 1, 2, 3 button. You'll now see all the number keys. For more symbols and punctuation, tap the #+= button. This opens additional special characters and symbols. Add a new keyboard language. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Scroll and look for the keyboard option, then click on it. Tap Keyboards at the top. Select Add New Keyboard. Choose the language you want to add, for example, German. Tap the language to add it to your keyboard list. Now open the keyboard again in any app. Tap the globe icon to switch between your available keyboard languages. Tap the emoji button anytime to access emojis. And that's how you can change the keyboard on your iPhone.